Hello there, welcome back to the Once a Week kitchen. Today I'm making a very tasty and satisfying vegetarian macaroni bake. You can throw it together for less than £1 and it feeds 4 people easily. Very tasty. So have a go at that and save yourself some money. I'd like to remind everybody about this little book which explains my cookery system once a week, and it's on my website, so if you click the link, get yourself a copy. It will change the way you cook forever. It's a life-changing book, so get yourself a copy. There's also an ebook on there as well which you can download and print off. So let's get started. Okay, so what I'm doing today, I'm trying to use up things out of the fridge. Vegetables that, you know, are getting a bit near the date, I would say. So I'm using up the cheese as well, bits of cheese, and no definite quantities here. We're going to make it into a macaroni bake. So I've got some broccoli and some cauliflower. There's about 150 grams of each. A large carrot, finely chopped. A small onion, finely chopped. 50 grams of plain flour. 50 grams of butter and 750 grams of mils of milk. So that's going to make a cheese sauce basically. And I've got a 500 gram pack of macaroni. So you know me, I don't do half packs of anything, I just cook the whole lot. And what I don't use on the day, I portion it up and freeze it. Saves time on another day. I'm going to start by cooking the cauliflower and the broccoli. I've got a large pan of salted water on the stove, and I'm just going to cook them for a few minutes until they're almost tender. I've got the oven set at 180, which is 400 Fahrenheit, gas 6. So pop a lid on that now and let that cook gently for 5 minutes. I'm adding in the flour, mustard, cayenne pepper. And now we're going to stir like mad to cook the flour. It's got to sizzle, otherwise it'll taste floury. So we need to bring this to the boil and cook it for a minute or two so it thickens up. Then we can add in the macaroni. The sauce has come to a simmer now, and as you can see it's nice and thick and very smooth. No lumps in there, only the carrots. So that sauce is done now. So it's time to add in the cheese. So I'm putting half the cheese in, and the rest we shall put on top. Turn the heat off now. And stir till it all melts in. This is a mixture of mozzarella and parmesan. And the rest we shall sprinkle on top. I've put a whole bag of macaroni, but I only need to use half of it. Excuse my fingers. And the rest of the macaroni will be put in bags in the freezer. That's about half. Stir this in very carefully. So I've got half the macaroni mix in there. And now for the cauliflower and broccoli. Again, this dish is not going to be big enough, I can see that. So I might have to make an extra one. So I'll just take a few of these out. And then I'll make an individual one with what's left over. I can get any more in that. So just sprinkle the grated cheese on top. And we're going to bake it for about 35 minutes. At 180. So, veggie macaroni bake, how cool is that? In fact, it's red hot and I'm just about to eat that one for my tea. Can't wait. See you later. Bye.